Welcome to the Ohlone College Communication Lab's Tutor Training video series. This session is on the There are 7 steps to the tutoring process. First, there's the greet and establish rapport. Welcome your student to the Comm Lab, say hello, establish some rapport either by making some small talk or by just having some very friendly nonverbals. Make them feel comfortable. Let them sit down and get their books and their papers out. When they're ready, you can actually ask them what their assignment is by determining their goals and assessing what it is they need. What assignment are they working on? Who is their instructor? And then from there, you can be able to assist them by providing them some resources. If they're working on researching their speech, you can show them the computers where the library search web page is, or if they're outlining their speech, you can provide them with one of our outlining templates, or if it's a persuasive speech, we have some persuasive outlining templates as well. Overall, you want to encourage them that we've seen it all and that we can help them at any stage in their speech writing process. You want to encourage autonomous learning. You will sometimes have students who are very nervous and they actually want you to write their speech for them. So what you want to do is take a step back and give them something very discreet to do, like work on their general purpose, specific purpose, and thesis sentence, and tell them you're going to give them about 10 minutes to work on that, and then you'll check back with them or ask them to come back to you when they have that written so that you can review it with them. And you want to just give them a small little assignment so that they can go work on their own and work it out on their own. Okay, next, you want to check for understanding and consider the different learning styles. You may find that some of the students feel a little overwhelmed with the oral instructions you're giving them. And you may find that they're more of a visual learner. So you may find that the outlining templates are more helpful, or the poster on the wall that talks about the 8-step speech making process is more helpful. There's also the lab manual that has like all the parts of the introduction and conclusion laid out, and there's their textbook as well. And it's some combination of auditory or visual learners. So you want to give them, sometimes you have to explain it to them in more than in one way, and listen for the questions that they're asking you. And then in closing your session, you want to help sign them out. You want to sign their lab manuals. You want to sign off on their speeches if you've listened to their speech. But you want to encourage them to come back, wish them luck in their class. If it's a particularly satisfying tutoring session, you can ask them to fill out one of our assessment forms because it's encouraging to us to find out what it is that we're doing well. And when you see them back the next time, ask them how they did on their speech and what they need to work on next, and that you'd be happy to work with them again. So the 7-step tutoring process is here to help guide you in how you actually get started and dive into helping your students. Thank you for making this a wonderful communication lab where we really help lots of students every semester be successful.